Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. When you purchase a trunk and a Glide and Go tray together, we'll install the Glide and Go tray at our factory. Now, if you already own a trunk and you're purchasing a Glide and Go tray separately, I'll show you how you can install the Glide and Go tray at home. The first thing you'll need to do is to put your tray ledge together. The tray ledge comes in two pieces. One piece has a peg, the other piece does not. Insert the peg into the hole in the side of the tray ledge to form one complete piece of tray ledge. From there, you have 4 strips of double-sided tape. You'll need to remove the backing from each of those 4 pieces. And now we're ready to install it inside the trunk. So this tape is going to end up adhered to the trunk right across there. But the tape is very strong. The adhesive on the tape is very strong. So you're likely only going to have one chance to get this right. So what you want to do is angle the tray ledge like this so that this top edge is what's in contact with the trunk. You can start down a couple inches from the top. You'll notice there's some play here. You want to make sure that you center that from left to right. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it should be close to centered. Then draw the tray ledge up until it contacts the trim at the top. And then swing it down into its final position. And then just apply some pressure. And with some pressure on that adhesive, it's going to stick really well in that trunk. And then what we do is just simply take the other 2 sections of tray ledge and repeat that process for the front part of the trunk. Okay, with your back and front tray ledge installed, all you need to do is set your tray inside. And as you see, it glides from side to side, allowing you access to the contents below.